So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Y.U.S.M.B, and today I present you guys with another hair tutorial. As you guys, hair growth tutorial. As you guys can see stated on the title, I grew this to this with these head ass. It literally wouldn't make no sense if I just literally gave it away right then and there, you feel me? But anyway, man, yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video overall. If you do, make sure to drop a like, comment in the comment section box below, subscribe if you're new, and you enjoy the content, share the video as well, man. And yeah, other than that, let's just dive right into this, man.
Big bang, take little back, I got that chunk on me. I ain't switch, you can't eat, I got that drum on me. A couple niggas switched up, some stay solid. You put your fucking hands on me, I'ma catch your body. Big bang, take little back, I got that chunk on me.
Alright, y'all, so throughout the years that I've made hair tutorials, and when I say throughout the years, I mean a year and a half, I've talked about the press and comb plenty of times, but I never really talked about it consistently because there's other methods. But overall, I feel like this is the best method when it comes up to heat, because I never really say anything that pertains heat unless it's that in a blow dryer, you know. So yeah, a press and comb, hot comb, whatever you want to call it, you can either put it on the stove and make it hot, or you can have the cord one where you just stick it into the wall and then it will heat up. I've had both of them to my head, the one that you heat up on the stove and then the one that you plug into. They both work the same, but I feel like you should get a plug-in just because it stays hot, and the stove is, you know, that's the hood way, you feel me? That is what grew my hair. Now, I grew my hair naturally this time around, but before, my hair was super duper long. Y'all remember that before I did that big chop? My hair was very long. It was right here. It was like to my collarbone, all right here. My hair was very long, and it was all because of the press and comb and or hot comb. The main reason that you guys should use a hot comb, and then after you put the hot comb to your head, get braids, is because people think that, you know, using a press and comb and getting braids is just stretching your hair, but that's the point. If you have something that is continuously stretching it, your hair is going to get like prone to it. So when you wash your hair is going to turn into that length, like it's just going to jump up 5 more inches. And then having braids, the braids is going to keep that stretch in. So when you take your braids out and wash your hair is going to jump up like 3 or 4 inches. And I know that because that's what happened to me. That's why I was able to get braids in the first 2 months when I started growing my hair, because my hair was to right here. And when I stretched my hair with the blow dryer and press and comb, my hair went all the way up there, right? And then I started braiding my hair to keep the stretch in. And then when I undid my braids and washed my hair jumped to like right here, natural, like that. It turns into your natural growth. That's the beauty of that. Now, like I said before, don't do it every day or don't do it all the time because it's gonna fuck up your hair, but do it once in a while. And take your braids out every month. When you're blow drying your hair or using a press and comb or both, make sure that is warm, not so hot and not so cold, so you can actually get the stretch. And if you want to, use heat protectant and you're gonna be perfectly fine. So yeah, like that's how I was able to grow my hair like so long in this amount of time. Now there's some people that doesn't use a press and comb, they'll use a blow dryer, because a blow dryer is so good to the point where it seems like your hair is pressed and they could be able to get braids. Now you could do that, but I feel like it's more preferred if you use both of them, because you're going to see different texture when you use the blow dryer and the press and comb, you know what I'm saying? And I know that because I've used a blow dryer that was so good and it felt like it was pressed, but you can always still tell a difference when it's pressed and when it's not pressed, you know what I'm saying? You can just feel the thickness when it's done blow drying, but then when you use the press and comb, it's something totally different. Like it's so thin. Like it doesn't matter how good the blow dryer is, you can still tell the difference, literally. Even if you don't know what they did to it, like they don't even have to tell you like, hey, I'm about to use a press and comb to your hair or a hot comb. As soon as they're done, they be like, hey, feel your hair, and they be like, ooh, this feels silky. Like it's always been like that for black hair anyway. So yeah, guys, if you're watching this video right now, go ahead and try it, man. I'm telling you, you're gonna see a difference. Like your hair is gonna grow. When you continuously have your hair stretched to the actual length that it can get to, and you braid it or put it in a bun or whatever and keep it in there for however long, when you wash your hair in that next month or a few weeks, your inches is just gonna jump up. So yeah, there's a lot of people that think that it only stretches your hair. No, that's the point. That's literally the whole point. Stretching your hair makes your hair grow. And I've said that for so long, but I actually got into in-depth information on it in this video. So I hope y'all really took this in. Share the video. Like, we need everybody to know about this because this is very, very huge. You know, last time I told you guys about the pressing comb, but I never got into full-on depth with it. Like, now the blow dryer is not, you can't really go in depth with that. Everybody knows how to use a damn blow dryer, you feel me? Also, there's some people that use like an actual blow dryer, like they blow their hair and then they use like a comb while they're blow drying it. That's the hardest of all. Don't do that. Don't do that at all. Actually get one with a pick. Like, it'll make life way more satisfying. I'm not even gonna sit here and hold y'all. So yeah, you guys, like I said before in the beginning of today's video, I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment in the comment section box below, subscribe if you're new, and you enjoyed the content, share the video as well, man. We're on the road to 100K subscribers. Once you subscribe, you're officially part of the Y.U.S.M.B Nation. If I grow, you already know. And yeah, y'all been waiting for this for the longest, and it's finally here. I really think that y'all gonna see some inches. For real, y'all gonna see some inches. And I know because I've done it. You know, that's the greatest thing of it all. When a person has done it and they know for sure that it could work with somebody else, that's the greatest. You'd be so happy to put out that information. It's great, for real. But yeah, you guys, this is Y.U.S.M.B. Always remember to stay broski, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Fucked up, but I came up from under that. Fucked up, but I came up from under that. Fucked up, but I came up from under that. I made this so far under that. Fucked up, but I came up from under that. Fucked up, but I came up from under that. Fucked up, but I came up from under that. Why I made this?